All right, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, I'm feeling proud that my club is honoring my country, and they have created a jersey, showing some homage to the culture. Yeah, um, let's first say that for those who don't know, the brand Jamaica is huge. For those who don't know, brand Jamaica is big. Guess who don't know? Guess who don't know? Jamaica. We're the only person who don't know how big our brand is. We don't capitalize on it. Guess what? Adidas saw the intricacies of making billions of dollars from this. You know what they did? They tap into the market and they utilize it. They tap into the market and they utilize it. That is good business mind. But let's get straight. Arsenal has definitely done some great job here. Arsenal and Adidas. You can look at the kits. Lovely, lovely kits. Let me jump over to what is happening on Twitter, because when this was announced, it was huge, people, huge. It's a big deal right now. Everyone is speaking about it. Everyone is speaking about it. Everyone talking about the aspects of the brand, how it was launched. Gabriel Jesus. It seems as if a few of the clips maybe in Jamaica. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. But can you look at that? People are already saying, hey, pick out their carnival wear. But definitely people, as I said, everyone is speaking about it. The goal is here in Arsenal pretty much sure to celebrate their Jamaican supporters, which is very, very nice, people. Everyone is speaking about it. It is global at present moment. It is global. It is huge, people. Big deal as it stands. Celebrating brand Jamaica. And Arsenal tap into a market, a suitable market, and that's a smart business decision. Something I do think all the local medias are now establishing, speaking about it. It is definitely in support of. As an Arsenal fan, I feel very, very proud. As a Jamaican, I feel very, very proud. So you can imagine how I feel as a Jamaican seeing this. This that was done by by my club, my beloved club. Very, very proud about this that is happening. Now, another aspect. Let's look at the price. Let's look at the price. This is a jersey here. We're gonna have a look at it. Yeah. Looks nice. It looks clean. Looks fresh. Yeah. Is it affordable though? That's another part. Is it affordable? Model size. We're looking at the model size here. Is it affordable? That's the aspect of it. So the value is pretty much a jersey is $38. And actually for men football, it's £55. My apologies, £55. It's in the affordable region, but I do think there are going to be people saying that, hey, that is quite expensive. People are going to say that's expensive. Why not? Who wouldn't? Everything expensive in these days. But big up, massive respect, Arsenal. Really appreciate that gesture. I'm not sure if I haven't seen it before, but really appreciate that gesture. It's a huge thing. And definitely a lot of people are talking about it. It has hit the global market. This has hit the global market. So look out to see some more things happening like it. Remember, this Arsenal jersey in specific was pending a couple months ago. Maybe about 2 or 3 months ago. It was first launched 2 or 3 months ago, way before the season started. It was first launched. People got sneak peek. People are saying that maybe it's just people just created thing. What do you call that term? Like a fan created it. But I'm not sure if it was a case in which they had to wait until Adidas secured the deal with the Jamaica Football Federation, and that is how they tied the deal. That is how they tied the deal with Jamaica and football. Maybe that's the case. Just saying, maybe that could be the case. Tying a deal with the Adidas, and also with Adidas and Jamaica and Arsenal, because Arsenal are kit sponsors for Jamaica. Adidas is kit sponsor for Arsenal, and now they're the kit sponsor for Jamaica. So for the Reggae Boyz. So that's how it ties in. That is how it ties in, and it fits well. If it's really, really well, we can look out for maybe something in the near future regards to Arsenal, maybe visiting Jamaica, maybe playing a friendly in Jamaica. Can you imagine? Crazy, crazy. Just saying still. Not sure what's going to happen. Maybe I'm just in dreamland, people. Maybe I am in dreamland. But anything is possible. Let me put myself in the middle. Need to get one of those jerseys. Let me put myself. Yeah, I'm in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good look. Yeah, that's a good look. Crap, I should have on a jersey. Anyways, massive respect, people. Big up. Huge respect. Big up to everyone, all Arsenal fans. Big up to all the Jamaican football fans, specifically, because we keep on shouting, we keep on supporting football in Jamaica and also worldwide. And big up to all of the football fans who see this and think it's a good gesture. And I don't know if I got the fans who don't like it just because, well, for them club shouldn't do it. But, Sego, big up, people. Massive, massive respect. See you guys again. We're out. Boom. Oh, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification as well, yeah? Big up.